Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to unbox this special box. So it is a soldering kit box. So let's start unboxing it. So it's looking nice. So let's open it. So now I'll show you all the components on the things which I got inside this. So I'll give a link in the description. From there you can buy everything. So this is with this is a wire. So with this you can solder anything. I'll show you after telling all these components. And the next one is some soldering balm, I think. I don't know what it does, but they gave this. I'll open it and show you afterwards. And this is wire. This also I'll open it and show you afterwards. So this has copper wire in it, and this is for taking any wire and catching it with that, because your hand might be hurt. And these both we got, the soldering thing, which is the main thing, and the soldering thing which you can keep it in that. I'll just show you. And this one also. So it is the cutting pliers, I think. With that you can cut wires and you can cut anything you want. Like, it's very strong. It's very easy to cut as it's very strong. So it's very nice. The quality is really nice. So now I'll show you. So I fixed that. So it is falling down actually. So I'll keep the plug and I'll see it that it works, or like if we keep it will fall again or not. So if we keep so this is cutting pliers. I opened it, so you can see it now. I just opened it now. So now I'll show you the wire. They gave 3 millimeter copper wire. So this is copper wire. So the quality is nice. So now I'll open this. It's very hard to open. So I opened it. So it is like a balm. I don't know for what they use, but we can use it. I'll give a link in the description. You can buy this kit from there in Amazon India. It is 250 rupees around. So they are very strong. So cutting pliers is really easy to cut anything. So I've plugged it. So now it's like it's not falling that much. I think we should keep any weight down. Yeah. So I'm kept a weight, some weight, so that it will work nice. So now you'll be able to see that I am trying to solder. So afterwards I'll show you by soldering also. Actually this is my first time, so you also be careful when you buy it. Don't touch it. Be very careful. So you can attach 2 wires or 1 wire and 1 switch or anything you want. So if you want to buy only the wire, you can buy like that also. It will cost you around 30 to 100 rupees, and they might give you so much. It will be a bundle of wire. So you can use that for at least 1 year. This will be enough for 1 year, I think, for me. So you can take any wire and solder it easily. So it's very easy to solder, and everything, the build quality is very nice. They built it very nice, and 2,800 people plus have bought this, and it has 4-star. So now I will solder the wire and the switch, and I'll show you But if if a person does, we need actually 2 people to do this, because we cannot catch 2 wires or one switch, one wire and solder it. It's very hard, right? So it was hard for me. I tried a lot, but it failed. It will work nicely. I tried it again. It worked nice, but for me, like, it's taking a lot of time because I have only 2 hands, guys. So it's very hard for me to connect anything. So now I'll try to connect the 2 wires. So it's very hard for me to connect, but I now connected it. If I pull it very hardly, then only it will come out. So it will come out. It's not glue gun, so it is okay. The quality is, I will give 9.5 out of 10 to this. So I'll show you how. So like this you can do, but if you do like this also, it will be hard for you, because a human cannot do this. It will be hard for the person to do. So there 2 persons can do this. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel.